Getting ready to shop. Let's go shopping.
Let's go shopping.
We need a shopping list.
We need a shopping list.
Do you have your bag?
Do you have your bag?
Put on your shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Don't forget your money.
Don't forget your money.
Hold my hand, please.
Hold my hand, please.
Let's take the car.
Let's take the car.
Time to go to the store.
Time to go to the store.
Inside the store. Look at all the food.
Look at all the food.
Stay close to me.
Stay close to me.
Let's get a cart.
Let's get a cart.
Push the cart slowly.
Push the cart slowly.
Can you find the milk?
Can we find the milk?
Let's find some apples.
Let's find some apples.
We need some bread.
We need some bread.
No running in the store.
No running in the store.
Choosing items. Do you want bananas?
Do you want bananas?
Let's count the oranges.
Let's count the oranges.
Pick one apple.
Pick one apple.
That's too heavy.
That's too heavy.
Let's get your favorite snack.
Let's get your favorite snack.
Put it in the cart.
Put it in the cart.
We don't need candy.
We don't need candy.
Let's buy some juice.
Let's buy some juice.
At the checkout. Let's wait in line.
Let's wait in line.
Can you help me put things up?
Can you help me put things up?
The cashier is scanning.
The cashier is scanning.
Be patient, please.
Be patient, please.
Let's pay with the card.
Let's pay with the card.
Say thank you to the cashier.
Say thank you to the cashier.
Take the receipt.
Take the receipt.
Let's put the bags in the cart.
Let's put the bags in the cart.
After shopping. Great job shopping today.
Great job shopping today.
Can you carry a bag?
Can you carry a bag?
Let's go back home.
Let's go back home.
Let's unpack the groceries.
Let's unpack the groceries.
Where should we put this?
Where should we put this?
Put the milk in the fridge.
Put the milk in the fridge.
Let's wash our hands.
Let's wash our hands.
Shopping is fun.
Shopping is fun.